Okay. So Sangamitra, I think this today's last part for the functions. Okay. Today's agenda. Today's agenda is we are going to learn about anonymous functions. What is that?
Anonymous functions.
Yes, anonymous function. This is also known as lambda functions. Lambda functions. And second part is map function. And then filter. Fourth one is reduce. Okay, these things we are going to see in today's session, and this session is going to be very important, so don't skip it.
Bro.
Okay, so now up to now whatever the functions we are seeing, every function we were giving what names.
Yes.
Yeah, ఏదో కొంత name ఇస్తున్నాం కదా మనం, and how we are declaring a function with the keyword. What is the keyword?
Def.
Correct, exactly, def. And we are passing the parameters, arguments. Yes. Yeah. So now let's talk about lambda functions. Lambda, or we can say anonymous function. Now, what is the meaning of this? It define is a function. It is a function. It is a function that is defined without what? Name, without a name. Okay, so it doesn't have any name. Like
Okay.
normal functions are defined using what? Def. This is first point.
Def and we call the names.
Hmm. Like while
Well,
normal functions, how we define them?
with
Define
F.
using def keyword, right? Def
Yeah.
keyword. Now we define here in this third one is we define anonymous function using keyword anonymous. Anonymous functions are defined using the keyword. Using which keyword? Lambda. Lambda keyword. Okay. So this
Yeah, bro.
is important point. So what we can say, it is anonymous function also called as lambda functions. So already it is mentioned in the top here. Either is lambda or you say anonymous, both meaning is same only. Yeah. Now, now coming to the syntax of this, how to write this function. Let's see. So syntax lambda, we do use what? Lambda, and then here we have arguments. Argument 1, argument 2, and then like this keep on with the comma we can separate and we can write all those, and again we have here colon, and here we have expression.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
now we'll see the examples also, but this is just a syntax. I know with the syntax we may not be understanding now, but soon you will understand. So syntax lambda, and here arguments, and then here colon, and then expression. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Now let's see what is lambda. Lambda is a keyword.
Yeah.
Keyword. It is already, this word is already reserved in the Python in this word. Or we can say it can be also operator. It can have any number of arguments. N number of arguments. Any number of
Arguments.
yes arguments. Arguments. Now, but it can have only one expression.
Okay.
Have only one
Expression.
expression. Yes.
Yeah.
So So it has many arguments, but what? One?
One type of expression.
Yes, yes. Let me give the numbering here for the better understanding. Second point, and then third point. Python evaluates expression and and returns the result automatically. Automatically is done. So it means we are not calling directly, it is done. But whereas in the normal functions we used to call, right, function call,
Yes.
you may get a doubt that, sir, what is expression? Yeah. So now let's see what is the
Yes.
meaning. What is the meaning of expression here? Yes. So the expression is anything that returns some value. Okay. And expression is anything
Returns the value.
that can return some value. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, let me give you some examples. Some examples are like we have arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. What are these arithmetic operations? We have a plus b and a double star b. You remember what is this a double star b means?
Yeah. True.
A to the power of b.
A, yeah, A into A.
Hmm. Like again, function calls. Again, we have print statement. So all these are what here it is. These are the example of expression like sum. In this sum we are passing a comma b. This can be also expression. Print high, this can be also expression. So these are what some of the expressions.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is like def functions, right, bro? But here we are calling them I mean, whatever functions we are getting, these are expressions. Def, sum, print, all these.
Correct. Yes, yes. So now few points about this, let's remember. Point to remember about lambda. First point is assignment statements cannot be used in lambda. You know what is the meaning of assignment? The equal to, right?
Yeah.
Assignment statement can't be used in lambda. That is one point because they don't return anything, because they don't return any value,
And
anything or any value, not even none. Not even none. None
yeah.
means null, nothing. They won't return anything. Second point, simple things like mathematical operations, string operations, mathematical, or we can say string operations are okay to use in lambda. Yeah, those we can use. Function call, functions calls, yeah, expressions. So it's okay to put a function call in lambda, function call, and passing the arguments. Function is allowed. Okay, this is third point. Yes, these are some of the points. Fourth point is even function that return none, like a print function, can be used in lambda. So even functions that return none, like print. Print returns none, right? We have seen examples also.
Yeah.
Is allowed, is allowed. Fifth one, single line, if else is also allowed. Why it is allowed? Because it returns something like true or false, right?
Yes.
Now, sixth point. Yeah, that's it. Mostly this is enough. So these are the points you need to remember. Now, let's create one lambda function. For an example, how to create lambda function. How to create a lambda function? This is our task. So let's create this. Suppose we have to make a function which will calculate sum of two numbers. Yes. What we have to do? Sum of two numbers. We have to write a program for this sum of two numbers. How we can do? What is the normal approach? Normal approach.
Like we enter them. I mean,
Normal approach is something like this: def add and then a comma b. Right now, in this, what we are doing? Return a plus b, and we have to make a function call. Add 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7. So this is a normal approach, right? We have discussed this already.
yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So here it
Yes,
is.
bro.
Here it is the name of the function is add. We are passing a and b, and what we are doing? We are adding. So to display this, we are using what? Print. Inside the print, we are using add. Got it?
Yeah.
Now the
So ఇప్పుడు
same
నాకు ఒక డౌట్. దీన్ని
uh,
మామూలుగా మనం నార్మల్గా ఎంటర్ చేసేది అప్రోచ్.
normal approach. ఇప్పుడు
అదే
lambda
ఇప్పుడు
approach
మీరు లాంబ్డాలో ఎలా చేస్తాం ఒకసారి?
అదే నెక్స్ట్ అదే చెప్తున్నా. Now lambda approach. Lambda approach. How we can do in lambda approach? Let's see. The lambda approach is lambda. Just lambda అని రాయాలి. A comma b అని చేయాలి. Okay. Now after this colon, దీన్ని ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ పెట్టాలి కదా, a plus b. Yes.
యా.
That's it. ఇంత చేసేస్తే సరిపోతుంది.
ఇవేం అవసరం లేదా బ్రో? అంటే ప్రింట్ యాడ్ బ్రాకెట్స్ ఇవేం అవసరం లేకుండా జస్ట్ పెట్టేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇచ్చినాం కదా. సో ఐ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అండ్ షో ఆల్సో దిస్.
యా.
So this is we have to keep it in the print statement. అది నేను చెప్తా. So here what we have to do is we have to use like this example. I'm saying print లోపల here and here also. Okay. Now but what we need is lambda a comma b colon a plus b. Okay. But we have to close this one. What we have to close? This part one, and after this we have to give the numbers, right? A and
Yeah.
b aim add చేయాలి. Like for example 2 comma 3
1 and 2.
2 and anything. That's it. Now it will work. Will it work or not? We'll check. So this is what anonymous. What we are using? Print. Just directly print. In this print we are taking the two brackets total, closing it, and one more bracket it is for lambda. For this here it is what it is? Yes, this is for lambda, and here it is the values. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I wanted you to just try this and check whether you are getting the output or not.
ఒక్క నిమిషం బ్రో.
Yeah, bro. Have you tried?
Yeah, I have been entering, bro. Just
So by look, ideally, right?
yeah.
Ideally, and control N, new file. What we need to enter here is this part. Inside this print, what I'm giving, another bracket. This bracket is for lambda a comma b colon a plus b, and then we have one more bracket here, 2 comma 3. That's it. Control yes, save it. Dot py, save, replace. Now run.
Invalid syntax.
Did we got?
Or
I got
you
right.
forgot. Yeah, I got different, bro. I'm trying it. That is why,
You maybe you have made some mistakes.
bro. I have shared you a picture on WhatsApp. Can you look into it once? What mistake I made it?
You can see here only, no, the mistake. See here, the mistake is it visible?
Yeah.
Print and then again bracket. So you sent in the WhatsApp? No, I did not receive.
It was delivered.
Lambda spelling, what is, bro? What is spelling of lambda?
Oh, okay. I have made a mistake. Sorry, bro.
Yeah, yeah. You made a mistake. Yes. So you see here how simply we got it, right?
Yeah,
Without using many things, we got it very simple in a simple manner.
bro.
Done.
Yeah, bro. Done.
This is an example. You can keep any other numbers also, not only 2 and 3.
Okay.
Hmm. Now the question is why to why we require lambda? What is the need of this? What is the requirement of it? So first is simple lines. It is reducing the number of lines. Or no?
It reduces.
Yeah, and the most common use of lambda function is in the code that it requires simple one line function. So reducing the lines means what? One line we can say. code became
Okay.
one line function, where it would
So
be, yeah, that
it
is
reduces
one.
everything.
Yes, yes. Now, second point is, it is helping us. It is important whenever we are working on higher order functions. Order functions. So, what are the higher order functions? Like we have map, in bees, filter, all these. These are the higher order functions. Yes.
Yeah.
So why we are going with the lambda functions? These are the reasons.
Uses
Now,
the embark.
next point is how to use lambda functions.
Okay.
How to use lambda functions. How we are going to use, first point is, we have already seen one point. What is that? Using using it anonymously in inline mode. That is called using it anony anonymously in inline mode. Okay, that
Yeah.
is first point. Second one is using it by assigning a variable. Assigning it to a variable. So this is this means what? Simply in a print statement we have done. These are the two ways we can use. Yes, first way we have seen. Yes or no?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, the second way. Let's see the second way. Using it assigning to a variable. So second approach we are using. Second second approach. Variables. So how we can do that? Let's see. Now here we have sum. Sum is equal to lambda. So what we are writing? Sum is equal to lambda. Okay. A comma B colon A plus B. Yeah. This is
Yeah.
sum. This is sum. Now here print. We are printing on sum. So what I said here, variable approach means what? Same thing. These things are, we are assigning on what? Sum. And this sum we are printing. That's it. Nothing, nothing difficult in this. Yes. So let's see here. And simultaneously you can also execute it. Sum is equal to lambda 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 a gamma b colon a plus b. Print sum. So what we are getting here?
By
Yes.
A comma B.
Yes. A comma b. Did we got anything?
No. Bro, I can't see it. It is little down.
See, we did not got. What we got is just the
Functions.
sum.
Yeah.
Wait, I will explain. So what I got, I just got. You are also getting the same thing.
No, bro. I haven't entered everything. 1 second.
You can try it simultaneously.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the same, bro.
Same you got, right? Fine.
Yeah.
Mhm. Now, in this, now what we do is, in this sum, total how many? We are not giving any numbers right here. That's the reason we are getting a memory allocation area.
Yeah.
So, for example, if I'm giving 5, 5 comma 8, okay, not here, here also. In this sum, 5 comma 8. So, is it giving me the answer 13?
Yes.
So, why it is happening like this? Because we need to give, right?
Yeah.
So, let's see what is happening in this code. Let's see what is happening in this code. The statement. What is the statement? Lambda a comma b colon expression is a plus b. This is expression. So what it is doing? It is creating a function object. What it is creating?
Function object.
And returning. And it is also returning that object. Object. Okay, it is also returning. So the variable. What is the variable? Sum. The variable sum is referring to the object. So the sum is pointing to the object. Now when we write sum 2 comma 3 or any number, it behaves like function call. Got it? So it means normally whenever we are writing sum here in the above, it is behaving as a call, function call. So
Yeah.
the statement lambda, this is creating, it is creating what? Object, function object. So function object is got created, and also it is returning what? Object only, because lambda function always returns something, right?
Yes.
Variable sum is the variable sum. This sum is referring to the object. It is pointing to the object. So whenever we write like this, sum 2 comma 3, so it behaves like it is function call.
బ్రో నాకు ఒక డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
Hmm.
దీనికి డెఫ్ ఫంక్షన్ కి పెద్ద తేడా ఏం లేదు కదా బ్రో, రెండు సేమ్ గానే ఉన్నాయి కదా. డెఫ్ ఫంక్షన్ లో మనం కాల్ చేస్తున్నాం మనకు కావాల్సిన అంటే ఫంక్షన్ ని, అంటే స్పెసిఫిక్ లైన్ ని.
Hmm.
మరి ఇక్కడ మనం సమ్ అనే ఒక అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఒకటి యాడ్ చేసి నెంబర్ ఇస్తున్నాం, అంటే ప్రింట్ లో ఎలా అయితే ఇస్తున్నామో అంతే ఇస్తున్నాం కదా.
కాలింగ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ, బట్ ఇక్కడ డెఫినేషన్ లో చేంజ్ వస్తుంది కదా. మనం అక్కడ దాని యొక్క నేమ్ రాస్తున్నాం అండ్ ఒక లాజిక్ రాస్తున్నాం, దానికి పెద్ద లైన్స్ పడుతుంది కదా. బట్ ఇక్కడ చిన్నగా అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇక్కడ ఇస్తున్నాం.
అచ్చా, ప్రింట్ ఫంక్షన్ లో మనం ఇదే దీనికే 4 లైన్స్ రాస్తుంటే ఇక్కడ 1 లైన్ లో అయిపోతుంది.
కరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
యా.
గాట్ ఇట్.
యా బ్రో.
సో నౌ హియర్, ఇంతకు ముందు మనకి ఏం రాలే కదా, జస్ట్ వి గాట్ సమ్ అడ్రస్.
Yes.
వై వి గాట్ దట్?
Didn't give some. Nah,
Yeah.
I mean,
Numbers.
yeah.
See here, since functions also are what? Object in Python. In Python, many or everything is in objects only. So functions are also objects in Python. So they have their unique, what they have? Unique memory address.
Yeah.
Unique memory address as well. Okay, as well as class. So in this objects, these functions have both the things, their class and also They have memory address. So that we have proved here. Now, if I don't use this, now what will happen? If I don't use this, only sum. And then I wanted to see the type of this. So we already discussed about type. It gives what is the type of that. So type of sum. 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 So this type will give the class, and sum will give the address.
Yeah.
See what is the class? Class is function, and the second one is address. Got it?
Yeah, bro.
So this is the story of what?
Functions.
Correct. Now let's see one more example. Now you have to tell me directly. I'm coding it. I just wanted to have a square. Is it visible or should I make it bigger?
Yeah, it is visible, bro.
Is it crystal clear?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, fine. Square. Just I wanted to have square. Square. Square is equal to lambda in lambda a. I wanted only one argument a, and the square means what? What is the expression we can write? A into a, right?
Yes.
That's it. Now I want to call this. How to call print square, and whose square I want? I wanted 9 square.
Yeah.
How much?
1 second.
It is 81, bro.
81.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 9 square we got. Similarly, we can get any other squares also. Like for example, if I'm asking you to find out 25 square, if you don't know, you can directly ask. It will help you. 625. Yes.
Yeah.
So how simple it became, right?
Yeah.
So this is for what?
Lambda.
Yes, this is for these are the examples of what? Lambda function.
Yeah.
Yes. So have you understood?
Yeah, bro.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay, good. Now we'll see one more question I will take. Now here the question is write a lambda function that returns the first character of string passed to it. So whenever we are passing the string as the argument, as argument. So whenever we are passing the string, for example, if I'm passing Rajan, so what is the output I should get?
Uh, Raj.
First character, right?
Yeah. R.
Yeah, character R I should get. If I'm passing Vivek, what I should get?
We get V.
Yes, we'll get V.
Bro,
Huh.
నాకు ఒక డౌట్. అది ఎలా సాధ్యం అవుద్ది? అంటే స్పెసిఫిక్ గా మెన్షన్ చేయాలా మనం?
ఏంటిది?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రింగ్ రాస్తున్నాం బ్రో లాంబ్డాలో. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ అని స్పెసిఫిక్ గా మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుందా?
మనకు ఇది we have indexing, right? We have learned about indexes in
Yeah.
slicing operator, indexing.
Ah,
So with the help of that, we can use.
okay.
Yeah. Now let's see here how we can write. Now I will explain on this. So you understood the question, right? What is the question?
Uh, మనం స్ట్రింగ్ రాసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ని ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం?
ఇన్పుట్ మనం ఏదైతే ఇస్తున్నామో లైక్ దాని యొక్క ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ రావాలి అంతే కదా. సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. సో ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ అ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ ఫస్ట్ character is equal to lambda, ఒక వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ str, అండ్ str దీంట్లో జీరో అనేది ఏంటిది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. అంటే జీరో అంటే ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ కదా.
యా
దట్స్ ఇట్. నా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం కాల్ చేయాలి. హౌ వీ కెన్ కాల్, లెట్స్ సీ. సో ప్రింట్ I wanted to display some message. First character of Hyderabad. So Hyderabad the first character ఏంటిది that I wanted. So come. Now what is the function I should call?
స్ట్రింగ్
First char. ఇది ఉంది కదా, దీన్నే కదా పిలవాలి మనం. ఫస్ట్ క్యార్ లోపల మనం ఒక వాల్యూ పెడతాం, హైదరాబాద్ అని. HYD Hyderabad. That's it. So this is the present out this. Now let's see. Did we got
యా
first character?
హెచ్ లాస్ట్ లో.
H.
యా
అదే ఇవన్నీ నేను రాయక, I just don't want this all. So only H will get.
ఓకే
H. So this is not making much sense, no?
యా
That is the reason I'm writing this. Understood? So this is how we can get what? First character.
ఫస్ట్
Yes.
యా
Now, how about last character? If I'm asking you to write a program for the last character. Last character means what? Hyderabad. So last character means what? If it is a string, it is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means last, up to last it is going, and then -1. Yes. So let's see here how we can write here. In this, no, second, this is what? 0, right?
ఎస్
So this is the code for this. Now next one is last one. Last character. Now we need what? Last character. Yes. So let's see what is the last character here. How we can do the last character. Yes. For the last character, we need to find the length of the string. Length of what? str.
String.
Length of the string we got.
Yes.
No, -1. -1. So like for example, the length of the string is what here? This is 0. Hyderabad H is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. R is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 is there, right?
Yes.
So what is the length of this Hyderabad? If we say how many characters it has?
9.
9. So the length is 9. So it is starting from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 8 only it will be, right?
Yeah.
When we are doing with a 0, it will be till 8 only. So up to 8 means str. Length of the str is what?
-1.
That's understood, right?
Yeah.
Like see here, HYDERABAD. Now here we have, what is this? 0. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Yeah. Now total, what is the total length of this? 9 characters.
Yeah.
But when
9.
we are taking indexes up to here, but we wanted to find this D. If I wanted to have the D, means what I need to do?
You have to enter 8.
9 minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So it means total length, total string length minus 1. Got it? So
Yeah.
let's do now what is output for this. So here instead of this we can write a last character, but I'm making the same here in the place of this last character. Now let's see. Did I got?
Yeah. We got D in the last.
Yeah. So is it helpful?
Bro.
So you have to also try this way. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, bro. నాకు ఒక డౌట్ బ్రో. ఇప్పుడు అంటే నేమ్ కొంచెం పెద్దదనుకుందాం.
Hmm.
Like
Big name.
was
You wanted
about 10. So minus 10 minus 1, right?
what is the name?
Uh, my name itself, Sanghamitra.
సంఘమిత్ర అంతేనా?
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం రావాలి? అవుట్పుట్ ఏ రావాలి కదా.
Uh,
సో ఎన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ నేమ్? 1 2
11.
3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ 11 జీరో నుంచి కౌంట్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 10 అవుతుంది కదా.
Yeah.
సో ఈ టోటల్ నుంచి ఒకటి తీసేస్తే లాస్ట్
11 minus 1.
సో ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా మనకు.
Okay.
సి వి గాట్ ఏ
Yeah.
అండర్స్టూడ్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ డౌట్?
No. I got it.
Yeah, okay. So this is for what?
For characters,
Last
I mean,
character.
la-
Using what? Lambda. Got it?
yeah, bro.
Now we are going to discuss about what is map. Yes.
Yes.
Now let's see. Now map. What is the meaning of map function? These all are higher order functions. So what is this map? First point is yes. What is map?
Higher orders.
Yeah, higher order function. Yes, it also combines with. So map. Now the second point is map is a function which takes two arguments. How many?
2 arguments.
This map function takes two arguments. Now let's see the syntax of this. The syntax is, for example, r is equal to, I'm writing here map. In this map, we have two things. One is what? Function as an argument, comma iterable. Iterable. So these are the two arguments. Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's see what is this. What is this? First argument. What is the first argument? Argument ఏముంది దీంట్లో మ్యాప్ లోపల? ఫంక్ కదా.
Yeah.
Yes, first argument is func. And what is this func? It is a name of a function. It is a name of the function. And the second point, second argument. What is second argument?
Interval.
Hmm. Iterable అంటే ఏంటి? సీక్వెన్స్. ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ లో ఉండడం. Continuation.
Yeah.
So it should be in a sequence. So what are the sequence in Python or collections? So sequence ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? List, tuple, string, etc. These all are what? Sequence. Okay.
Okay.
So list, tuple, set, dictionary, these all are what? Sequence, and is the first argument, second argument. Understood? These two arguments we are passing in the map. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, bro.
Yeah. Now, now for example, let's see one example. If I wanted to write a square, how we can write the square? Now you understood up to here. So map takes what? How many arguments? Map takes
Two
two arguments.
two arguments.
What are those? First
Past.
one function. Second one is iterable.
Yeah.
Iterable. Iterable. Yes. Now here. Now for example, let's work on this. Now if I wanted to write a normal square function, normal,
Square function.
yeah, square. If I wanted to have a square, if square function that accepts a argument and returns its square. So how we can do that? In normal approach, we can do like this: def square, and it receives num, and then and then and then what? Return. What we are returning? Num double star 2. Yes, square, or a num into num. Yeah,
Yes.
yes. You can do like this. Now, this is what a normal approach. Now we'll see one example. For example, if I'm writing here num, my num is equal to, I'm giving a list. In this list, I have 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. So list is nothing but it is a sequence. 1, 2, 3. Many numbers are there in this. Okay. So now, for example, if I wanted to square this, how I can square? Let's see here. For loop, you know, right? For loop, for
Yes.
x in what I need to write? My num. My num. Yes. After that, colon. And here, what we are printing? Print this. In this print, we are calling what? Square.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Am I not audible?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
Okay. So we can use what? We can call x. So this is how we can use what?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the code we can use without we can use for
For
squares,
my number,
squaring. Now
bro.
let's see.
Can you explain me from per? I mean, from X in my number.
Yeah. Here in this I will explain you. I think, is it visible or I need to increase? Now it's okay. Hello, hello, Sangamitra. Here,
Bro,
yes. Am I audible?
can you hear?
Yes, I can hear you. Def squared. In this we are passing what? Num. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Bro,
Yeah. I
yeah,
think
bro.
I think at your side some signal issue is there. Internet.
I can hear you.
Okay. So up to here, you know, right? This lines.
Yes.
Now return what we are returning? Square. So num double star asterisk 2. Now after this, I wanted to make this my num. These are my numbers. and this is my list. These all are, I wanted to convert it into squares. One, can you tell me what is the square of 1?
1.
Square of 2, 2 into 2.
4.
Yeah, 3 square. 3 into
9.
3. Yeah, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, like this.
Yeah.
So for this, what we are doing, we are going for loop for x in my num. Again, what we are calling, we are printing print, because here we are using return, so we have to print here. Print square. In this square, what we are passing here, x. So whatever the number we are getting here, 1 we got. So 1. So square of 1. So it is going here and it is making some square, because here it is a function call, right?
Yeah.
So whenever it is the control comes here, it will go here square, and the number becomes 1. So 1 into 1.
1.
So it will again return here and it will print 1 only. Then like this.
Okay.
Now let's see what is the answer for this. What we got? Is it same?
Yeah. So we can give any number for square root.
Yes, yes. So see here, with this we are getting it. But now our main intention is, we can make the same thing without using for loop, by using map. Yes.
Yeah.
So another way to solve the previous previous code is use of map. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. How we can use this map? Let's see. So the map function accepts how many arguments?
2.
2 arguments. What are those? First one is
Argument. Second one is
the argument name of the function.
yeah.
Function name. And what was the function name in our last program? Square, right? Second argument was iterable.
Terrible.
uh, in our iterable, in our last code, what was the iterable? List. It is in this square bracket now, that is a list.
Yeah.
Hmm.
List, tuple, string.
Yeah. So now in this we are using list only. Yes. Now let's see. Now here it will then apply the function square on every element of my num, and return map object. Okay, this is just a theory, I will explain you. Hmm. Now let's see the code. Yes. Now the code is here. Now what we need to have, two things we need to have. Yes. What are those? One is function, another one is iterable. So what is the function name? Square.
Square.
And square is num. This is remaining same. And then here return num double star 2. Up to here it is same, right?
Yeah.
Now my num, this is my list. In this list, what we are having, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Yes, this is my list. Now after this, what we are using is, we are using result. Result is what? Is a variable. In this we are storing what? Map, whatever we are using here, map. Inside this map we are passing two things, yes or no?
Yeah.
So what are the things we are passing in this map? One is function name, another one is iterable list name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I got it out. We are entering both square and numbers, right?
Correct. Square, comma, minus.
Number one. Yeah.
Minus this one. Now, after this, what we are printing? Print result.
Okay.
Result. Now, let's see what is the output. In this, are we using any for loop?
No.
No, for loop we are not using. Instead of for loop, we are going with a map only.
Yeah.
So some fault here. I have written my nums. Here it is nums. So yes. So what I got? I got the object.
Object
Yes. So
zero.
hmm, it returned what? Map function object. The function map. Now this is what?
Map function.
Object. We got the object here. The output is this. Now this. So what is this? This is called as object. Map object. What it is?
Map object.
Who have returned this? This is returned by map function. This map we are using right here.
Yes.
Because of this, we are getting this object of map function. Understood? But now we
సో
have a question.
దీనికి లూప్ ఫర్ లూప్ కి పెద్ద తేడా ఏముంది బ్రో? అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ ఏముందని?
For loop means always you have to keep on iterating, right? Like, but here directly everything is done in this by using only this one line.
యా.
Understood? But in the
Yeah.
for loop, we are writing the logic like 2 to 3 lines. See here. Here we have used the for loop, right? These two things.
Yeah.
This all but here it is map, but still we did not got the squares, right? So now what we have to do is one thing we have understood, like this. In this way, what we are getting the object. Okay, map object. Now here to convert it into actual numbers, we can pass it to the list function. What we need to pass? List function we have to pass. Then only we will get. Yes?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Now let's pass the list function. Where we have to pass the list? Here. Now, this result, in this result, whatever we are getting, or directly also we can do. So what we have to do here is list. Now everything is in the list now. Now again, print result. Did we got?
Yeah.
Yes. So in order to get the results, what we have done?
List.
Yes, exactly. Yes, list we have done. Now, for example, if I wanted to make this code more short, what I can do? I just wanted to decrease and reduce the number of lines.
నాకు ఒక డౌట్ వచ్చింది. మనం వాడే ఈ ఫంక్షన్ లో మనం లైన్స్ డిక్రీజ్ చేయటమే కదా?
Not only lines, also the way we are writing it. Like here, see here, for a time complexity and ఎక్కువ time దేనికి పడుతుంది? Like which one is easy we can able to handle. So these are the things we have. So now I wanted to reduce the code more. How? So what we can do to reduce the code? Yes. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కోడ్ ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రింట్ లోపలనే ఇవన్నీ రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా.
యా.
ఈ రిజల్ట్ బదులు what I can write here in the place of this I can take here is print. That's it. Did we
Yeah.
got? Yes, we got. Okay. Did we got or not?
Yeah,
Yes,
bro, we got
we got it. So how many number of lines? One, two,
just 4 lines.
yes, yes, just 4 lines. And previously,
6 or 7.
no, with the for loop, how much it was?
Uh, one,
See
two,
here,
3, three,
for
four,
loop it was something like this: one, two, again three, again
five
four,
rows.
5 to 6. But now it is reduced. Yes, got it.
Done, bro.
Okay, good. Now, yeah. So this is how we use what map. So this is one of the higher order functions. So shall we see one problem on this?
Definitely, bro.
So the question is,
Bro, it's like homework, or we have to solve it right now.
now we'll solve.
Yeah, definitely.
Why you want homework, huh?
లేదు డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
Okay. So see here. Uh, See, just try to understand whether you can able to understand or not.
Yeah,
Let's see. So what is the question here is write write a function. Okay, function called inspect. Inspect అనే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ మనం రాయాలి that accepts a string as argument. Okay, string as argument and returns the word even. Even అని రిటర్న్ చేయాలి if the string is even length. String is even length. స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది ఈవెన్ ఉంటే లెంత్ అనేది ఈవెన్ ఉంటే అది ఈవెన్ అని చేయాలి అండ్ రిటర్న్స్ అండ్ రిటర్న్స్ ఇట్స్ ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇఫ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ is of odd length. Understood the question?
bro.
No.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
Once you read out the question.
Call inspect that accepts a string as argument or return the word
This is
even if the string is even length and return its first character. If the string is of odd length, uh, okay, bro, I got it.
you
But
understood.
yeah,
What you have understood by this?
సో ఇది లెంత్ ఓకే, లెంత్ పరంగా మనం రాస్తాం అనుకో, దాన్ని షార్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం కాల్ ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ లో దట్ వి యాక్సెప్ట్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ యాజ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. స్ట్రింగ్ మనం ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ గా వాడుతున్నాం బ్రో, బాగుంది. ద రిటర్న్ ద వర్డ్ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ది స్ట్రింగ్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ లెంత్. స్ట్రింగ్ లెంత్ గా ఉంటేనే కదా బ్రో మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసేది. మీన్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఈజ్ లెంత్ ఇయర్, స్ట్రింగ్ లెంత్ ఉంది అనుకున్నాం బ్రో.
But see, I'm telling you the example. The input is రాజా. ఓకే, ఈ రాజా ఒక లెంత్ ఎంత?
3 words or 4 words?
క్యారెక్టర్స్. లెంత్ అంటే ఏంది, ఎన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి,
4.
4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. గుడ్. ఈ 4 అనేది ఈవెన్ ఆడా?
ఈవెన్.
ఈవెన్. సో అక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారు, ఈవెన్ అయినప్పుడు మనకు ఈవెన్ అని అవుట్పుట్ రావాలి. ఈవెన్ షుడ్ బి అవుట్పుట్. ఇది అవుట్పుట్. ఇది
బ్రో నేను అడిగేది అదే. ఇప్పుడు లెంత్ నే కదా మనం తీసుకునేది.
అవును.
సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు వచ్చిన డౌట్ ఏంటంటే లెంత్ డిక్రీస్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం. లైక్ సంఘమిత్ర అని ఉంది బ్రో, దాన్ని షార్ట్ కట్ 2 words లో రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం చేంజ్ చేస్తాం కదా, అప్పుడు ఏంటి?
నో నీడ్ టు రెడ్యూస్ ద నేమ్, నో నీడ్ టు రెడ్యూస్ ద లెంత్. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ లెట్స్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. యు అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ ఈవెన్? Now for example, if I am writing here Raj, ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ ఏం కావాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ లెంత్ ఎంత ఉంది?
4 words, 4 characters.
This one bro.
3
3 characters. So 3 characters ఉన్నప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఎలా రావాలి? Read the question once.
Return its first character if the string is of odd length.
ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఏం
ఫస్ట్
రావాలి?
క్యారెక్టర్ కావాలంటున్నాం,
ఆర్ రావాలి. కరెక్ట్, గుడ్, అర్థమైంది కదా. సో ఈవెన్ అంటే లెంత్ అనేది ఈవెన్ ఉంటే ఈవెన్ అని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే. ఆడ్ ఉంటే ఆడ్ గానే ప్రింట్ చేస్తాం.
ఆడ్ ఉంటే ఒకవేళ మనం ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ని ప్రింట్ చేయాలి, ఆర్.
ఓకే.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సండే. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది అవుట్పుట్?
ఈవెన్ 6.
It is even. Yes. Yeah. If I'm giving, for example, if I'm giving here January, ఇప్పుడు ఏం రావాలి?
7, J.
పర్ఫెక్ట్, అర్థమైంది కదా క్వశ్చన్?
నాకు అది అర్థమైంది, నేను అది అడగట్లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ షార్ట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తే ఎలా చేస్తాం అని.
షార్ట్, why you wanted to make a short?
I just
short.
It's just a doubt for me.
See, if for example, if it is Raj and Rajan, ఈ రాజని నువ్వు షార్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నావు అంటే ఎంత షార్ట్ చేస్తావు? క్యారెక్టర్స్ తీసేస్తావా అంటే రాజ్ అని చేస్తావా? This Rajan you wanted to make it as RAJ, huh? What you want to make? RAN. So you can make by using slicing or indexing. Okay, so now let's see how to solve this problem. Yes.
Yeah.
How we can solve? Now first, any approach, any idea you are having how to solve this?
No.
Even odd. So let's see. Def. అక్కడ ఏముంది, మనం ఒక ఫంక్షన్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా, డెఫ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్?
Def.
Here in the question what it is said, write a function called inspect. Function name ఏముండాలి? Inspect. Yes. So what is this? Inspect. And inspect లో మనం ఇంకేం పాస్ చేయాలి? That accepts string as an argument. ఒక ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి అండ్ రిటర్న్ కూడా చేయాలి. సో దీని లోపల ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను స్ట్రింగ్ పేరేమో మై స్ట్రింగ్ పెడుతున్నా. మై స్ట్రింగ్ I should accept. This has to accept after this. Now ఇప్పుడేమో నేను 2 కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఒకటేమో ఈవెన్ అయితే ఇంకోటేమో ఆడ్ అయితే.
Okay.
If it is odd and even అంటే రెండు కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు we can use if and else conditions. So if లోపల మనం ఏం రాయాలి? మై స్ట్రింగ్, ఏదైతే మన స్ట్రింగ్ ఉందో దాంట్లో మనం కొన్ని వాల్యూస్ పాస్ చేస్తాం, బట్ లెంత్, దాని ఒక లెంత్ అనేది ఈవెన్ ఉంటే రిటర్న్ ఈవెన్ చేయాలి. So how we can say that it is length? First we need to check what length. Length of what? My string. ఇదేదో ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, same
Yeah.
thing you have to write here. Length of my string. My string. Okay. ఇప్పుడు లెంత్ ఆఫ్ మై స్ట్రింగ్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఈవెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి కోసం %2 చేస్తాం కదా.
Yes.
ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఉన్నప్పుడే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆడ్. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిటర్న్. ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయినప్పుడు ఏం రిటర్న్ చేయాలి? ఈవెన్ రిటర్న్ చేయాలి. ఈవెన్. ఎస్. ఒకవేళ ఈ కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయితే else what we have to return?
Just E, I mean the first character.
How we can get the first character? My string, which index will give me first character? 0 index. That's
Okay.
it. Now for example, if I'm taking my string, my string ఉంది కదా, ఆ my string లోపల మనం ఏం పంపిస్తున్నాం? We have to send something, right? So I'm taking the list, month's name I'm taking here in the list. So first month I'm taking as January. Second
Last.
one is
February.
February. Again
March, April, May, June, July.
That's it. 3 is enough. Up to here it is done.
Yeah.
So we have created one function we created. We have created one iterable. ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మనం మ్యాప్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, మ్యాప్ ఫంక్షన్. ఎస్
బ్రో.
ప్రింట్. ఈ ప్రింట్ లోపల ఇంకో మనం ఆ మ్యాప్ ని డిస్ప్లే చేయడానికి కోసం లిస్ట్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. లిస్ట్ తర్వాత ఇప్పుడేమో మ్యాప్. ఈ మ్యాప్ లోపల మనం ఎన్ని ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ పాస్ చేస్తున్నాం? 2 ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్? ఒకటేమో ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్, ఇంకోటేమో ఇటరబుల్. ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ ఒకటి, కామా
ఇటరబుల్ ఒకటి.
Iterable. No, that's it. Now let's see what is the output we are getting. F5. Did we got? See here, January odd or even?
వచ్చింది బ్రో.
January odd or even?
ఈవెన్. odd
కదా, అందుకోసం 0. And February
ఈవెన్.
1 2 3 4 5 6. సో అందుకోసం ఈవెన్ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. అండ్ మార్చ్
odd number.
if we write April, 1 2 3 4 5. So what we will get? A we got. Yeah, got it.
బ్రో మన క్లాస్ ని రేపు కంటిన్యూ చేద్దామా?
Tomorrow you want to continue?
యా.
Why bro?
ఏం లేదు బ్రో, ఇంట్లో
You
కొంచెం
got any other work you got?
యా, రిలేటివ్స్ వచ్చారు.
Okay, no problem. So we can continue. So again,
Yeah.
with this we are remaining with 2 more, that is filter and reduce. So up to here you understood?
Bro.
Okay, so wait, so that's it from my side. Let me stop the recording. Okay.